Now we will draw a scene. Select rectangle, left click at the screen to put the rectangle on our desktop, and go to command line form, right side on your screen, type add 60,60 and press enter. Right click to escape. Select parallel line tool, type distance 3, left click here near the line here. Make sure the number of on the top toolbar is 1. Left click here near the line, left click again here. Now change the distance into 5 and left click here near the line. Okay, now select fillet tool. Select fillet, type radius 5. Okay, make sure activate mark trim. Select the first line, select the second line, select first line, select second line, select first line, and select second line. Select the first line and select the second line. Right click to escape. Okay, we need a helping line, so draw a line with 2 points line. Draw a line. Oh, please activate snap, free snap, snap on endpoint, snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. Okay, now put the line into the middle of this line like this. Right click to escape, right click again, select circle center point, draw line here, left click here, and type radius 4. Press enter. Right click to escape. Select again circle center point, go to the middle, at the middle of this rectangle. It will be a sinkhole. Left click to put the circle and go to command line form, type radius 5 and press enter. Right click to escape. Now select circle again, center point, activate snap on entity, left click to put the circle here, type radius 2, press enter, right click to escape. Now delete the helping line here. Select the line and press delete on the keyboard. Select tangen circle point circle, or tangan C, and draw line here by clicking this circle and this circle. Try again, click at this circle and try can click at the small one here. Okay, right click to escape. Now select divide tool, select divide, click to select the small circle here and click at this point. Click again to select the circle and click at this point. Now select the big circle here and click at this point. Click again to select the circle, click at this point, and then select this line, click to select this line, and click at this point, select this line and click at this point. Right click to escape. Now select the all unnecessary lines here and press delete on the keyboard. Okay, now we have a simple sync design. Use Librecad. Okay, thank you very much. See you in next video.